In this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet and Pump.fun on mobile. This is going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your Phantom Wallet. I'm going to type in Phantom. So this is it. So click on this search. Come on your site. Click on the site. Look for Pump.fun. So I'm going to click on it. This video is only for educational purposes only. So make sure you watch through all I'm going to show you. So wait for it to open up. So what I'm going to do now, click on this. Click on I'm ready. Click on login. So once you click on login, click on Phantom. So you're going to be able to connect. You're going to be asked if you love to connect this. So once you click on it, you're going to be able to connect your Phantom Wallet here on your mobile. If you're using your iPhone, if you're using your Android, this is going to work out well for you. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.